Hello everyone. I have built a small text to speech tool that generates podcast style audio using an open source machine learning model called XTTS. This project is barely written on Python and it runs entirely from the terminal. The idea is simple. You write a script in the Markdown file and the model generates audio based on the scripts. Here I have a folder called examples and it contains a Markdown file called demo.md. Let me open it. Here it a podcast is written that has two types of peoples. Like first one is host and second one is guest. It has several voice types like warm, curious, calm, and upbeat. When I run a single command, the model reads the Markdown file and assigns a consistent voice to each speaker and generates the file audio. Since this runs locally, it can take some time if you don't have a GPU, but there is no cloud, no API keys, and no external services involved. So you can depend on it. So I have generated an audio file previously because I don't have a GPU. So it had take too much time, like 6 minutes 44 seconds. Here I have generated it using XTTS machine learning model, and let me listen the podcast.
Hello, and welcome to the Podvoice demo here. This is a short example showing how a simple Markdown file can be turned into podcast-style audio. Exactly. Instead of using cloud dashboards or external APIs, everything you hear here is generated locally on this machine. You just write a script with clear speakers, run a single command, and Podvoice takes care of voice assignment and stitching. It works well for narration, conversations, or experimenting with small podcast ideas, without setting up a complex pipeline. If this sounds useful, try writing your own script and see how easily Markdown becomes audio.
So guys, that's the generated podcast audio. The project is open source and I did highly appreciate any feedbacks or suggestions. So feel free to share in the comment section.